the yellow line over here.
She chose to make. Yes! Inspired by anime clothing and a drawing book. And she says the outfit in the book was just a sweater and a skirt celebrating any holiday feel comfortable wearing. She used a pattern that is blue cotton with a subtle gold accent, symmetrical backward dress. Her inspiration is from looking at different styles and dresses online. The top is made out of red stretch fabric. What inspired this garment was the black fabric. When she's in fashion shows, because I wanted to wear this blue color. What comes to mind is holiday. She added silver, lace details, blouse. She's very much inspired by Christmas and all the Christmas fabric here.